Today, I will walk you through on how to create a news broadcast using AI, like this one.
Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News. I'm Queen Avatar. Today, we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story, 24 Nigerian schoolgirls released over a week after abduction. Stay with us as we break down the latest stories making headlines. A group of 24 Nigerian girls who were abducted from their boarding school over a week ago have been released. President says armed assailants stormed the school in Nigeria's Kebbi state on 17th November, killing 2 members of staff and abducting 25 students. One was able to escape soon after. Nigerian President Bola Tinubu praised security forces for their swift response to the kidnappings, although the circumstances of the girls' release remained unclear.
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop, step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
Yes, do you like what you see and what you heard? I believe you enjoyed the news of this day. So today I will walk you through step by step on how to create a news broadcast just like this one you just watched now, from beginning to the end. Everything that you see in that place, I will walk you through. So what you will do for me is to hit the subscribe button right now and share this content. Let other people learn it as well for free the way you are learning now. So do not skip, because at the end of this video, I will show you exactly how to turn 6 seconds generation of Grok AI into how many minutes that you wish to use. Okay, so that's the reason why you should not skip any part of this content today. I will be showing you 4 easy steps on how to create this. So our step 1 is to generate your avatar plus your newsroom. So for me, I decided to use my image as the avatar. So see what I did. I move over to ChatGPT and I said, I want to create a newscast like TV news broadcast. I have a lady presenter. Give me a prompt for the broadcast. And this is what ChatGPT gave me. This is the news broadcast prompt. Copy and paste. Okay, so they provided the same settings like visual settings, the presenter, the way the presenter is and what the presenter dress, the camera movement, the lighting and atmospheres, then the news broadcast, how the news will start, the tune, and all the rest. So what I did here is that I copy out only the scene and the presenter. I copy this visual style and the presenter. Okay, now that leads us to Gemini, where we'll turn my image into the avatar and the show and the newsroom. So over here now, this is Gemini logo. I click on it. If you don't have Gemini, you can download it from Play Store. All right. So when they open from Play Store, it will come up this way. Before that, it will ask you to sign up using your Gmail. Feel free to sign up and use your Gmail. So you touch on this where they write create image. Now over here, touch the plus button, touch the gallery, choose your image here. This was the image I used. You can see the image have entered. Then I paste that prompt that I copied from ChatGPT. Now inside this prompt here, remember I have my own avatar. So inside the presenter here, I had to remove this one that ChatGPT said and tell them to put in my own image. And I say use, and now change it to use the attached woman from the image provided. That was the only thing I uttered in ChatGPT prompt. Okay, so I leave all these ones like this. Then you hit this arrow here to send it. So it will generate for you. And this is what we got. You can see that. Look at the image. It's so beautiful. This is the image that you saw that time. This is exactly how the image came to be. Okay, so we have generated our image together with our avatar and our news broadcast. So now I forget to add some things. Then if you forget anything, you can easily add it up. Like my news logo should be here and live should be the other side. So let me add it. Now I forgot to add this thing and I say add AIMT News, that's the broadcast newsroom name, okay? At the top left corner of the image, place it in a red square box. Then at the top right corner, add live button. I send it. To look at it, they have all come out. You can see it now. You have the AIMT, meaning AI Mastery Tutorial News, and you have live, meaning that the news was created live. So after we have gotten our image, we have gotten our avatar together with our studio room, we'll save this image by press holding it and touch save. Once you save it, it's already in your phone. So this will lead us now to step 2, where we will source the story that we want to, the news story that we want to present. So to source your news, which is the step 2, you can go to Google to source for the news, or any other site that you wish to use to source for your news. You can type trending news in Nigeria, or you just write Nigerian news just as I did, and everything like this will come out. I just type it Nigerian news and look at all the things that came out. I just look at them and pick one that is most trending, which is this protesters. I decide to use this one. So the news is out, which is the insecurity news in the Nigeria. So what I did here is that I copy out the news. I copy out this news. Look at the heading: 24 Nigerian schoolgirls released over a week after abduction. So I copy out this news now. I copy it from here to here. Okay, so for you, you can copy as much as you want. All right, so for the base of the tutorial, we just need to copy a little of it and then drop it on my WordPad. You can use any of the editing tutorial that you want to drop, but for me, I drop it over there in my WordPad, which is this one. So I came to my online WordPad and I dropped it. So this is the news. I've already generated the news. I've already dropped all that I want. Okay, so you can see that where I arrange everything. So over here now, you can arrange your news the way you want the news to start using the guideline that ChatGPT provided for you. You can see where they say good morning and all that. So after this one now, it will now lead us into generating the news itself, the video of the news itself, which is our step 3. So coming to our step 3, we are going to use Grok AI to generate this news. Yes, this is the Grok AI. You touch on the Grok AI. So if you don't have Grok AI, maybe this is your first time of using Grok AI, all you need to do is to go to the Play Store. Yeah, this particular one, touch on the logo and install it. And after installing it, it will bring you up to this place asking you to sign up using your Gmail account or email account. Feel free to sign up using your Gmail. And once that is done, it will bring you to this screen. This is the Grok AI screen, okay? So over here now, you see where they write create video. You can touch create video, or you touch display the right imaging. Whichever one that you choose is still the same. So we'll come over here, they write create image. Now we'll go to create image. It will bring us to our galleries where we can choose the image we want to animate. All right. So this is that image that we just created now. I choose the image that we just created. Now you can see it. This is the image. So over here, the right type to customize video is where you will now drop in your prompt. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt that ChatGPT gave us today. Remember, it was just the image generation prompt that we copied earlier. So we are back here to ChatGPT. Remember, this was what ChatGPT gave us that initial time. So we have already copied the visual style. We have copied the presenter. Now we are going to copy the camera, the lighting atmosphere, and the tone. So what I did here is I will copy in the camera. We'll copy it. Then we'll come back to Grok AI and we'll drop in our camera and all the rest. I'll drop the camera. I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll copy the tone as well. Now, why did I copy tone? Why I copy this tone is that so that our news broadcaster will have a consistent voice, so that the voice will not be different. If you watch the one that I did, the voice were consistent from beginning to the end. That's the reason why you should copy the tone. All right. So now we'll have the tone, we'll have the lightning, Can adjust anything you want to adjust here on the lightning. Okay, we'll have the lightning, we'll have the camera. Now, what about what the avatar will talk? What about what our presenter will talk? So for what our presenter will talk, we'll go back to our WordPad and copy what we want her to say. So now here in my WordPad, this is the first line we want her to say. I say, good morning and welcome to this. That's you introduce yourself. Now I copy it to this place. Okay, now we'll copy. We'll go back to Grok. Now over here in Grok, pay attention. Pay attention. Please, if you are enjoying this video up to now, do well to hit the subscribe button if it's your first time coming to this channel. And if it's not your first time, please give us a thumbs up. Share your comments, share your idea, what you did not understand or what content you want me to show you on my next video. And please share this thing, it's very important. All right, so let's continue. So over here now in Grok AI, for us to drop what this avatar will say, okay, we have to drop it up before the camera and before the tone, before the lightning. It has to come up. And we need to put dialogue, very important. Don't forget to put dialogue. Then you open a semicolon. You open a semicolon this way, and you have to open a quotation mark. A quotation mark, which is this dot here, this particular one here, you have to open it. If these things are not there, your avatar cannot talk. That is the fact. So now that we have bring in the dialogue and open the quotation mark, we need to drop in that sentence that will copy from the WordPad. You can see it here. I've dropped it here. Now you have to close the quotation. Close it so that you're telling Grok that your sentence or what you want the avatar to say have to end here. You close it. All right. Look at what we write. Good morning and welcome to AI Mastering Tutorial News. I'm Queen Avatar. This is what we want this avatar now to say. So for us to do it, we need to hit on this arrowhead here to generate the video. We hit it. And you can see it's running. And one thing I like Grok AI is that it's very fast in generating and it's free. It is free. I don't know why people are saying there's not. Grok AI, I've been using it for many months now and I've never paid a dime for any day. So as it's loading, don't forget it will only generate 6 seconds. So at the end of this tutorial, I'll show you how to join them.
Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News. Am Queen Avatar.
Did you see that?
Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News. Am Queen Avatar.
So do you see that? This is exactly what we gave her to say, and that is exactly what she said. And that was what you watched as well from the beginning. Now we are done with this particular sentence. So we need to go back to WordPad and copy the next one. So now over here to our WordPad, we need to copy the next one, which is this particular one here. And please have it in mind that if you copy long sentence, it will confuse your avatar. It will make your avatar to run too fast. What do I mean? Okay, let's say for example now, I copy the whole of these 2 paragraphs and I drop it. Just see what will happen here. Now, let's say I drop that long sentence to this place. Now, we are not changing anything here. The only thing we are doing is to remove what she said earlier. Okay? And then we'll delete this former one that she said. Don't forget, you must leave that open quotation and the close quotation. We'll drop this here. So now, let's say we want her to say all of this. You can see how long this thing is. Once you generate this now, your avatar will get confused. In fact, it will be talking as if something is wrong with it. Let me just send it so that you will understand better. This is for your reference purpose so that you will know how to drop in your sentences. Remember, it's a 6 seconds generation. So your sentence should not be longer than 6 seconds. Whatever 6 seconds can carry. That's why I'm showing you this for those that will mistakenly put a long sentence at the same time. So watch this.
Today we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story, 20 Bordeaux on the Bal Power abduction. Today we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story, 20 Borneo undergone power abduction. Today, we bring you updates from around.
You see, what she said did not cover this. You can see it. See where she started. She said, today we bring you this. The word were 20. It was jumping. It was jumping. So it cannot give you everything that you require. So that's why you should not cut too many at the same time. Okay? So what we need to do here now is to remove so many of this. So let's cut from 20. Let's cut all of this out. So I cut this out. Okay? So this is just what I wanted to do. You can see how many words I drop here. Today we'll bring you this in around the world. Do you see that? Now remove these 3 dots. It will confuse your avatar as well. Leave it in dots. Okay? So we generate. You see the difference between the two.
24 Nigerian schoolgirls released over a week after abduction.
24 Nigerian schoolgirls released over a week after abduction.
Do you see that one? Now, let's put in the next line too. Let's put in the next line, which was the last line for that paragraph. I drop here. So this is the next line. So the way I can understand, I believe you are understanding this content. I believe you have picked something from this play. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share it. All right. So let's hit this last one. Then we'll move over to step 4. Let's generate this one again.
We break down the latest stories making headlines.
Stay with us as we break down the latest stories making headlines.
So you can agree with me that these are so lovely. So let's head over to CapCut, which is our step 4 and the last step, to merge all these clips that we have done together. All right. So let's look at our clip step by step. Do you notice all these dots here? How many clips we generated from this advert is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's look at them one after the other. If the voices were the same and if everything were okay.
Stay with us
this
as
is
we
one.
Break down the latest.
You can see this another one.
24 Nigerian schoolgirls released. Today, we bring you updates from around the world. Today, we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story, 20 Borneo's undergone power abduction. Today, good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News. Am Queen Avatar.
So these are all the terms that we did here. So we are going to merge them together. How possible is it to turn this 6-second generation of Grok AI into 10 minutes long, 1 hour long, 5 minutes long, depending on how big that you generated? And that we are going to achieve that using CapCut, which is our step 4 that we are going to do now. So let's head over to CapCut, which is our last. Over here now, for us to save all these images, all this video that we have generated, we need to click on this download button.
Am Queen Avatar.
You download them from clicking on this. You scroll to the next one. You download.
In our top story, 20 Borneo. Today.
So you click on this download button after you swipe each of them till you download every one of them to the end.
We bring you updates from around the world.
This is our CapCut. This is a CapCut interface. For you to start to join your clip together, we are going to touch on this new video here. So on this new video, you can see all our generations are all here, okay? So we pick our generation. Let's find the beginning. I think it's this one.
Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News.
So that is where it started. So you have to pick them from here and select every one of them. So your own can be more than this. Your own can be as long as possible. All right. So after you have picked all of them, you need to click on this button, the right add. Click on the add button. Let's play our video and see what we generated so far.
Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News. Am Queen Avatar. Today, we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story, 20 Borneo's undergone power abduction. Today, we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story.
So you can see what happened. This was generated twice, okay? You can see that this was generated, this was the long one and this is the short one. So we need to remove one. Highlight the clip and click delete. So we remove that particular one. Let's see again.
Am Queen Avatar. Today, we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story, 24 Nigerian schoolgirls released over a week after abduction. Stay with us as we break down the latest stories making headlines.
So you can see what happened here. So now I believe you had a news background sound that I added. So to add that background sound, let me show you how to do it. You come over from the beginning and you click on this audio. Don't highlight anything, just click outside and then you see this audio here. You click on the audio, you click sound. Then over here I have search. You type on this search and you search for news broadcast. Then it will open this. You can see breaking news. Listen to it. So if you like this the intro of the news, okay, you click on this plus sign here to drop it to your content. So let's drop it now. You can see that. So let's play it again. You notice that the volume of your background sound is overshadowing the voice. So what you need to do is to reduce the audio of this particular thing. Touch on the volume and swipe it backward to reduce it to the minimum.
Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial.
You can see reduce it again. Reduce it more.
Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News. Am Queen Avatar. Good morning and welcome to AI Mastery Tutorial News. Am Queen Avatar. Today, we bring you updates from around the world. In our top story, 24 Nigerian schoolgirls released over a week after abduction. Stay with us as we break down.
So you can see now we have added the audio of the news, the intro of the news. So that's the way I created this content for you. I believe you love it. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are done with this, so the next thing you do here now is to export. You hit on your export here and your content will export. And it will run down to 100%, okay? Do not forget to drop your questions on the comment section. Anything that you did not understand, drop your questions on the comment section. See you again on the next one. Bye for now. Bye.